Hello and welcome to this very interesting video about ChatGPT and why every parent should learn about this exciting technologies. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work, the way we live, the way we communicate, and that's because of all these changes. So ChatGPT is one of these AI tools, a state-of-the-art language model. So that is part of this artificial intelligence. These changes will have bigger impact on us as parents and our children. So believe me, watch this video till the end. You will be amazed and surprised, and you will learn how ChatGPT will help you as parent to be the best support for your children in their life and their schooling and everything they do in their life. Watch it till the end. Thank you. Let's see now how ChatGPT can be the best tool for parents. So, as a beginning, ChatGPT is a tool that every parent should learn. But what is ChatGPT? If you don't know yet, it's an artificial intelligence language model that can understand and respond to human language. So you can chat with it. You can just write in text now. We don't have yet video or audio. So you can just chat with it and they can understand and respond to human language. ChatGPT and benefits for children. So, as we know, as a parents, we all want our children to be confident and effective communicators. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in helping children improve their communication skills by allowing them to practice having conversation with an AI language model. So that will improve their communication. They can communicate without being shy and everything. So for children who may be shy or struggle with social interaction, ChatGPT can provide a low pressure environment to practice communication skills without fear or judgment or rejection. That is very important point. So by engaging with ChatGPT, children can build their confidence and develop their ability to express themselves. That's from a point. In addition, ChatGPT can help children learn new words and phrases, practice their pronunciation, and build their vocabulary. So children can ask ChatGPT questions about a wide range of topics and receive accurate and informative response. So helping them to broaden their knowledge and develop their language skills. Will improve their language skills. So, and for children who are learning a new language, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool for practicing their speaking and listening skills in a safe and supportive environment. So, ChatGPT can help children practice their pronunciation and grammar and provide instant feedback on their language skills. In short, by learning about ChatGPT and encouraging our children to engage with this technology, we can help them to develop their communication skills, build their confidence, and broaden their knowledge in a fun and engaging way. That is true and very efficient. As a parent, so as you know, being as a parent, we want to give our children the best possible start in life. So by learning about ChatGPT, we can gain better understanding of the technology that is shaping the world, and you can help your children navigate the challenge of the future. So they can put your children and start preparing them for artificial intelligence. Firstly, learning about ChatGPT, it provides parents with insights into cutting edge technology. This is the latest, and you have to learn about it. So, as one of the most advanced AI language model in the world, ChatGPT is at the front of AI revolution. And understanding how it works can give parents a valuable understanding of the technology that is shaping our world. This knowledge can be applied to many areas of life, from education to work, and can help parents prepare the children for a future in which AI is an integral part of many fields. You have to know that AI is not going to be stopped, or it's going to be affecting all our life in different fields. In addition, also learning about ChatGPT can help you as a parent to support your children language development. It can be a valuable tool for children who are learning new language, as we said, and provide them with a safe and supportive environment so they can practice without fear. So parents can encourage their children to engage with ChatGPT. Don't deny them, because tell them to use it the proper way. I will give you certain examples in the next slides, so you learn also more how you can do that. Moreover, as AI becomes increasingly prevalent in our daily life, it's important for parents and you to have a basic understanding of how it works. So learning about ChatGPT is very important, can help you to be ready and prepare your children for the future of AI, which will be affecting our life in different industries and fields. So, in conclusion, it's very important for you as parent to understand ChatGPT, to learn about ChatGPT, and to know all the valuable insights that can bring with this by this technology. It can support you being a parent to support your children language development, to prepare your children for the future, and help them in many places during their education. Let's see if, as I said, ChatGPT is a fun, engaging tool for children. It's not just theoretical; it is practical. So you can let the ChatGPT help your children to assist them in homework. So children can ask ChatGPT question, or you can ask on their behalf about their homework and research topics, and receive accurate and informative response. It can provide also language translation. It can give you translation of something, even if you have a text that is written in very tough language. Let's say complex English. You can tell ChatGPT, you paste the text and tell them, please, can you write it for me in a simple words so can understand it. It's very efficient, especially when it comes to language. It can also support the mental health. So ChatGPT can be used as mental health tools to help children express their emotions and feelings in a safe and non-judgmental environment. It's very important. Let's see a certain example. I asked ChatGPT if my daughter had a fight with her best friend and comes back from school feeling angry and sad and doesn't want to study. How can I support her as a father? It's worth noting that my daughter has a strong personality. It's very important that you give information enough and make it clear so the ChatGPT can help you. See, as a father, it's important to provide emotional support and guidance to your daughter during this difficult time. Here are some ways to support her. You see here, ChatGPT gave me 5 ways. Listen actively, emphasize, help her gain this perspective, encourage self-care, support her decision making, consider you can read this in detail, but that's an example where you can ChatGPT, you can read the answer, you can select what you see it's suitable. You don't take all the answers granted. Another example, please translate this for me into French. So you put let's say an English text, it will translate for you immediately to French. And also another example, my daughter had to read the book Le Petit Prince Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. So please, can you give me 10 questions in French that I can ask to my daughter to see if she read well and she understood the book? So the ChatGPT can give you certain questions that you can ask your daughter to check if she really understood the story and the book. And what is really interesting, see the next slide. So can you give me the answer for each question and page number as evident where I can find the evidence for this answer? You can ask ChatGPT to give you the answer and tell you on which page you can see the evidence so you can be sure that the answer is correctly. So you see, it will explain to you the narrateur, l'histoire et le pilote. Vous pouvez trouver ça à page 7. It's an amazing tool. You can use it to support your children. You have to learn it. That's the technology. In conclusion, learning about ChatGPT can be valuable experience for both parents and children. You have both to learn about it by understanding how this advanced technology works. You will be ready for the future and you will prepare your children for the future because AI will be an integral part of many industries and fields. And also by encouraging your children to engage with ChatGPT, you can help them to develop their communication skills, to build their confidence, and broaden their knowledge in a fun, engaging way. I hope that you like this presentation, and to know why, as a parent, you have to learn about ChatGPT. You can use it for the best prompt. Stay tuned. I will post much of videos that can support you. I would like to thank you for watching this video and see you soon.